Hello everyone, good day to all of you. I am Kent R.S. Bacani, a student from BSIS 1B today. I am so happy to share and talk about my originally digital artwork. I created this using motion graphics and the theme I chose is the future of artistic creation. First, let me describe what you see here. Right in the middle there is one main person, an artist. He stands out clearly and around him. You can see differences. Some people are painting and drawing using traditional tools like brushes, paint, and canvas, while on the other side there are artists working with modern tools, computers, digital screens, and high-tech devices. You can also notice soft glowing lights and smooth flowing elements all over the image. Everything looks live and connected. That is the style of motion graphics. It uses movement, light, and simple design to tell a story clearly and beautifully. I made this artwork to show my own understanding and idea of what art will look like in the coming years. It is simple but every part has meaning and I will explain all of you all of it to you one by one. Let's start with the most important part. The artist is the center. I choose only one person as the main subject. Why? Because no matter how much things change, no matter how advanced the technology becomes, the artist is always the heart of art. Tools might change, methods may be different, but the person who thinks, images, and feels, that person will always be the most important part of creating art. In the future, we will have more powerful tools, faster computers, and amazing new technology. But none of these things can create something meaningful on their own. They are just tools, just like how a paintbrush or a pencil is a tool. Only a human being can put feelings, idea, and story into a work of art. That is why I place the art artist right in the middle to remind everyone. Technology helps but it's never replaced the creator. This is the first big message I want to share. Art ends with the human in mind and heart. Now I look around the artist, you will see two kinds of tools sides by side. One on one side there are things artists have used for under hundreds of years. Paintbrushes, watercolors, pencil and canvas. On other side you can see modern things, digital display, tablets, computer and glowing screens. I put them together on purpose. This means the future of art is not about forgetting the past or throwing away old skill. Instead, it's about mixing them together. We'll still need the skills, patience, and creativity that artist has always had. We still need to understand color, shape, balance, and emotion. But now we add new tools that let us do things we could never do before. With emotion graphics, for example, art is no longer just a still picture on paper. It can move, change, glow, and tell a story. Over time, we can make art that feels alive. But even with all these new things, the basic skills and love for art, those will never change. The best art in the future will be made by people who know both the wisdom of the past and the tools of the future. Meaning of lights, emotion graphics, visual on the glowing lights motion, smooth flowing lines and soft color. Let's talk about the glowing lights and bright colors you see everywhere. In told tradition, light was always a symbol of inspiration, ideas, and creativity. I kept that meaning but I made it look modern and high-tech. These glowing elements stand for new technology, motion graphics, digital platforms, and all the new ways we can create. I chose motion graphics as my platform because it fits this perfectly. Motion graphics, it is simple, clear, and powerful. It uses movement to explain ideas just like how I want to explain. Art is moving forward, growing, and changing. I got my style and ideas from looking at modern digital art, movies, and design. You often see the glowing, smooth, and clean look in videos, advertisement, and online art today. I arrange everything so your eyes go straight to the artist first, then to the titles around, just like how motion graphics always guides you to understand the message easily. It is simple but it makes the message.